Songbird. Today you're going to get to see one of the Songbird Tree's proud success stories. Her name is Tartie and she's a singer-songwriter, and she has undergone vocal training with myself, which I want to talk to you more about at the end. But for now, go and check out Tartie and her original song, Winter's Girl.
Winter's girl, you've got your strings strung tight, always waiting in the fight or flight. Eyes wide open, your mouth so dry. It'll be easier if you never try. Winter's girl, why the worried face? Time's an illusion, there is no race. Let it in and then let it out. Learn to embrace the doubt. You're standing at the entrance to the stairs of the world. You told me you were full grown, but honey, you're just a girl. You thought wearing high heels meant you had it figured out. They may lock you up, but you can still scream and shout. Winter's girl, you've got your dress inside out. Now we can see what your obsessions are about. Eyes wide open with your sweaty palms, wanting so much to embrace the calm. You're standing at the entrance to the stairs of the world. You told me you were full grown, but honey, you're just a girl. You thought wearing high heels meant you had it figured out. They may lock you up, but you can still scream and shout. Scream and shout. You're standing at the entrance to the stairs of the world. You told me you were full grown, but honey, you're just a girl. You thought wearing high heels meant you had it figured out. They may lock you up, but you can still scream and shout. They may lock you up, but you can still scream and shout. They may lock you up, but you can still scream and shout.
Songbird, how incredible is Tartie? If you liked this video, please do give it a like, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you never miss out on any videos that I drop. And if you liked Tartie's song, please go and check out more of her stuff. All of her links are in the description box below. And you know what? If you're inspired by her and you'd love to learn the vocal technique that I actually taught her, why don't you take the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy? You'll get access to all of my online courses. And you know what? I am always believing in you, so I can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy.